Good morning, June 11, and look, I have an umbrella. You gotta need a brolly to go through this. Let's walk this way. I don't know why there's so much clouds in the sky. Stormy weather. I just had to modify the lyrics a bit. Yeah, man. Been raining very hard since last night. This is all due to that LPA, low pressure area. That's east of the Philippines. They put a fence on their land. Oh, so much for taking photos of those plants. Oh, look at all those fruits. Mangoes. They're all falling. Oh, what's in store for us today? We don't know. But make the best of this walk. I still have a few shoes in case this shoes that I'm wearing right now becomes extremely wet. Oh, look at that, the classic Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser. Here's a Lexus. A lot of brand new cars. This is probably the past 2 decades brand new cars. Not easy holding a camera up and walking and holding an umbrella at the same time. This guy put his car on top of a well, most likely I haven't seen any activity in the house for a long time. Maybe they've gone home or whatever. And he's doing the right thing. If you're not gonna use your car for a long period of time, you have to suspend it so that you don't put a lot of stress on your suspension. So they knew they'll be gone for a long time. Or maybe that car is out of order. This is one time I need a remote. I have a voice control for this camera, but you have to do a lot of editing after because the last instruction or the last order you give the camera will be recorded too. Stop, record. Every time you stop recording, stop, record. They turned this land into a garage. I'm not sure if a mechanic shop, and they only do luxury cars. There's only one vendor today. The bread, the coconut, and the fish are not here. I think I like the sound of my voice under an umbrella. Can you hear that? That's a toad. Maybe a frog. Toads are bigger. Actually, there's actually a small toad. So the difference between a toad and a frog are some of the features. Man. By the way, today is a long weekend, and it's not good for a lot of people who wants to enjoy a long weekend. The Jollibee has a new security guard. The other one probably took a holiday. Or maybe it's the same, I'm not sure. I have to check that out later. Oh my, early morning issue. That motorbike just cut off that Starex. I just thought to take some photos. Amazing, there's a vulcanizing shop. Never noticed it before. Oh man, the rain is falling again. We will try our best. And let's hope this rain takes a break later this afternoon so that we can take our bicycle ride. When I checked the weather forecast this morning, it just says cloudy. So this is what cloudy means. Yep, it is cloudy. They're not telling a lie. Cloudy. That is really amazing. Cloudy. Every now and then you'll probably see my umbrella going down that way. There's a slight breeze. So quiet this morning. Did I mention that today is a Sunday? Yeah. Today is a Sunday. Rain or shine, that sweeper is doing her job. And Sunday too. Not bad. That is a very conscientious worker. Let's hope she's just doing it for therapy and not for security or to pay off any stuff. So yesterday afternoon, or yeah, late morning, there you go. I saw my neighbor having their garden fixed. So I asked the labor, Joe, if he can do my garden too. And it's been a while since it had a good work done on it. And luckily he did. Jeez. See how those people, they didn't even look at me. For some reason they just all conglomerated at that particular area. As I was walking, never giving way. That's wow. So when somebody talks of courtesy, it's relative and it's subjective. Wow, check this out. There's a broken pipe and it's bursting water. Oh man. Yes it is? Where is it coming from? Oh nice, eh? What an effect. Check that out. What an effect. There it is. Oh man. So that's where that thing is coming from. So that's the broken pipe. Oh man. I've been asked several times why I do this, but I don't know. Oh my. Walking has just become part of my life, and been walking in any kind of condition. So that's just the way it is. The sidewalk is supposed to keep our feet drier, but unfortunately it's not made properly. And check this out. And there should be somebody from the building official office to be checking these things. But that's how it is. Worse situation, but I guess the only difference is I don't take videos, as I do now. And it ain't easy. It ain't easy. Take videos sporadically. Otherwise, I won't be able to walk properly. You know, so I need to. I forgot to carry the gadget case for this action cam. Prevent it from getting wet. Although it's advertised as slightly waterproof. Slightly. I don't know. Oh, traffic seems to be slightly building up here. The rain has somewhat lessened or weakened. I don't know how long this will last. But yesterday afternoon, briefly after lunch, briefly the rain stopped, and I was able to ride my bicycle. Let's hope it does the same today. The traffic is building up there. Wow! Check that out. High up in the sky and above this rain cloud, you can see the blue sky. Amazing. Wow. There's hope. Of course, there's always hope. Ah, no Zumba. Everything quiet. Looks like the weather dampened their Zumba class. And this one is affected despite having a cover. Some people inside doing some sort of a meeting. Having a meeting. I finally closed my umbrella. The rain stopped. For how long? We don't know. We don't know. Oh my, look at that. Ha, a 5 peso coin. Ha. There you go, 5 bucks. I won't pass that one. 5 is 5. It's one piece of bread. One pandesal. Let's just hope that maybe it has relatives. The largest bill I ever picked up in Sydney was $20, and here $500. Surprised if I see anyone getting a car. Yeah, man. That car is getting a car wash. Ah, okay. Did I just say I'll be surprised? I well, I am. There's one more. Oh. Do you think it's too early to buy food for lunch? Maybe it is. Oh, what an unusual name. His last name is Pera. Pera is money. So I hope his name gives me better luck. I only picked up 1 5-peso coin. Searching for more. I got my eyes now on the floor or on the road. Supposed to okay, might as well go for a longer walk. This is a sudden change of plans. Sudden change of plans. The flashing signal lights. I wonder how much electricity these lights consume when it's flashing that way. Everybody's going up. They're going to the opposite side. Take a right. I can only assume. Look at that clouds. Amazing clouds. The duha tree is still bearing fruits. I think that's a himbabao. Or could be. Let's wait. On my right is the fire tree. What a shot. And that looks like a nice shot. What do you think? Yeah, I'll take a shot. Okay, I've never walked this way. I'll give this a try. That goes back to Batasan Road. I don't know where this one goes. It's interesting. Interesting place. I'm actually at a parallel road to Commonwealth Avenue. Where could this lead? Oh, man. Jeez. Interesting. The road goes down. Steep. Oh, this is steep. The problem is there a way going to the opposite side? Never seen this place before. Well, I'll just show you how this is. Pakita lang natin. Wow! Oh, that's whoa. Damn! Alright. That's nice. Interesting. And that's Commonwealth Avenue. Dito ang daan. Oh my, ay. Hindi pala madali pagka may hawak. Check that out. Oh my gosh. So there's a path here that goes to the opposite side. This is what you call, wow. Lato. Oh. Yeah. We'll go a little bit further down. Sit down. Everything is... Jeez. No idea. Okay. Let's do it. I think. I hope. I hope. Have to be careful and don't lose my balance. Ask. Hello. Makikidaan lang po. Ito yung daan papunta sa kabila.
Dito sa gilid.
Hindi. Papunta dito sa tapat.
Hindi ko alam.
Wow. Check out that thing. It looks like Dita. That is wow. I can hear something. Oh man, there's a parrot. Wow. This is unbelievable. And if you ever think you've seen it all, no way, Jose. Oh, nice. Ay. Inner sanctum. And I'm now on the opposite side. Oh man. What have I gotten myself into? Oh well. It's like this is probably how this place looks before development. You can probably hear my footsteps. I don't even know where I am. Where am I? Jeez. That house, amazing. That's large. I'm pretty sure I'm now on the right track. She, whatever. And no matter where you go, there are large houses. It's funny. I was going to ask direction, and I started with Tagalog, and it was answering me in English. It's so fun. And it took him a while for his mind to process that I was talking to him in Tagalog. And I'm definitely sure he'll be telling people what he saw. And he'll try to look for this vlog. Anywhere you go, just give them a basketball. Just give them a basketball court. Keep everybody happy. Oh man, I'm here. Am I? I think that's the wall of Batasan. I'll have to. It's amazing. It is wow. I'm here. That's a band rehearsal studio. Boy, I will never forget that data tree. That is unbelievable. You can just walk this way. Yeah. Walk to the left. You don't have to, maybe. Maybe I'm closer. I don't know which side I'm closer to. I don't know where I am. But I just have to remember the pedicabs. Pedicabs. Para sign, bawal umihi, sumuka, magtapon ng basura dito at ng daga. Jeez. And I'm quite surprised that road where I came out from is actually closer to the main road if I turned right. But it's okay. It's nice to know that there's a place where people have a home beside some sort of a river. Oh, the rain is finally dispersing. It's now been over for just now an hour. And if you look at all those shops, they're now advertising raincoats. A very nice walk. Really surprised. Dark. Oh, wow, what happened here? Oh man. Why is it overdone? That's what happens when you accidentally press some buttons. So a while ago my camera was on manual. That was a little bit overexposed. I hope I didn't press any other button. The rain clouds are finally going away. Wow. Huh. Check out this weather. What a big difference. What a big difference from how we began this morning. Unbelievable. And the sun has come out. Huh. Well, looks like we are going to bike. When you saw the weather this morning, you won't believe that it's going to change. But it did. But it did. And so it's life. But everything about the weather is natural. In life, we make choices. Really, we just have to allow nature to take over our lives sometimes. And let nature make the decision for us. And just accept whatever it is. Whatever it is. But that isn't easy. We want control. One of the best examples is just getting sick. That's nature. But we do intervention, we take medication, we see a doctor, we go to the hospital to get better. But if sometimes we just rely on nature, we don't know. But just like today, it will improve. And it all happened within an hour. I just crossed over to this side to show you this. Try carrying a bag of ice behind your head. They're delivering ice to the stores at the market, and here's their truck full of ice. Oh. Golly! And now the sun is up. Woohoo! Unbelievable. That forecast is right. Unbelievable. From heavy downpour to sunny day in an hour. Golly! And how far back did man know, or did humans know, Oh man, what the heck is this? It's raining again! This is crazy. The sun is out, but it's raining. Oh, shout out! Unbelievable. And it stopped. So anyway, how far back in human life did we know that rain came from clouds? How did we, the science of meteorology, we are finally back. This group of people seems to be interesting to photograph. Let's see what we can do. Like the fish vendor arrived. Why is my so dark?